When we talk about criminal justice reform, that is the idea that way too many black people are stopped, arrested, charged, tried, convicted, and sent to prison for no reason whatsoever other than they are black, and that white people do the same thing, but cops just ignore it. When we talk about that idea, which is the greatest hoax of our lifetime, the lie of black victimization, it all depends on one thing. Not just denial, deceit, and delusion. It also depends on an incredible level of naivete from lots and lots of white people making decisions about this kind of stuff. Cat Williams knows what I'm talking about.
Go out and get you some white friends. Get you some white motherfucking friends. You ain't gotta sleep with them, but you gonna need them motherfuckers. If you go to jail and call your nigga friends, these motherfuckers will interrogate you more than the goddamn police did. They had your ass on the phone. Where the fuck was you at? What the fuck was you doing? Why the fuck you ain't called me? Not your white friends. Them motherfuckers will be there by the time you hang up the phone, and they'll be madder than you. Just what the fuck did he do? Murdered who? Look, I fucking known him for 2 weeks. He wouldn't fucking do something like that. Gotta love white people. I don't give a fuck what you say. White people are friendly. You can call them motherfuckers up at 3 o'clock in the morning with the wrong number, and they won't even be mad at you. They just, hello? No, I'm sorry. No Shaquita here. Well, what number did you dial? No, it's a 9, not a 7. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, call me back. We'll figure this thing out. Gotta love white people.
Between Richard Pryor and Cat Williams,
please, sir, I want some more.
If you listen closely enough, you'll find truth tellers in some very unlikely places, but very likely to make the black kids angry.